wonderful. Mama niamu good afternoon. And idea. A Janica crib na pese me no a share. Me pese me ye vegetarian. Garden eggs, vegetable stew. Inti no ne. Me banama baba be. Inti mesra say. Opia benya naje. Na mashiye. Pese prepare vegetarian stew. Kama. Obiti me a prepare. Na vegetarian garden eggs, vegetable stew. Ingredients anyway. Your onion, your garlic, and your tomatoes, your pepper, your garden eggs, your cabbage, your green pepper, carrots, eggs, and rosemary, and oil and salt. They ever baby. Some ingredients really ne. They ever prepare garden eggs, vegetable stew. So watch out. Alright. You are still live on Phyllis Kitchen. Vegetarian garden eggs, vegetable egg stew. And I'm pressing it. Right now, you see, I try me genie, every yummy milk. Nyame garlic and I'm ginger into my blend. The other local one, are you a mono? You know what different flavor be. I'm a Ghanaian Disney blender, mammy. Until we are make grinding while you on. I think garden eggs name it be so. No man more, me no man name many. Said the baby chair, but memana, I said you who first a crabina, Monsieur. You drew on my behind the day. I feel my child mean toasting gene every. Many carrot kakra, me green pepper, and our faces so. Me gene leaves no. Many nyama you try me na me wo. Tasty to makara me befra. Nti me eggs ni. Na me spice kakra me twa me de be ni sunye. Wie am so no me cabbage me twa. Me de ni am the sauce solution. Our run ni na ho kama. It is say the next thing am be say me de jadwan ba be sika so. Na man no. That one garden eggs. So what? Okay, baby edru no. Na no anya do ano, but na mana mene said ye bi twidia ya bubu ana se nkwan na apoto hwe gu so nti you rufa asukaka na ye na e ba besie na fedie mpese be mmemme okay na mi adom mechi me garlic gini etwi akakaduru etwi moko ewi said the medical into gini na etwi na be vegetable still I'm say na me the cabbage in the good news you then sauce solution ebe oro kama na egg ni bia no are you ready and you see the next step me say me the anwano eba ehwe anwano agu me you turn some you see me baba bisi ejana so said the be ya metimi ahase o me all right see any there gin and me garlic me akakidru and then no kwena mtwi and na medical dey siswa steam kakra na medom garden essence so abini and na metwitwa ma chopping kama and na meyi aba no efri nti ene susu yi nti garden eggs no eni mawie no ne toast no metwitwa ngini meyi me green pepper ne me carrots and me the green onion leaves no chicha na me cabbage no me wi nyina kakra ti see no me ma no abe kakra na freeze that was every home so watch out in natural ti see me nyame rosemary me spice them pepper and my tamuti ma baba be grind so dey be free na me dey go na man some flavor be na man ide na shams so now my bomb egg ni na ko sopan e di ni na mo peku kakra ni no minimum pesisi su kakra pesisi kakra ti ni waso all right you see the question na go be 3 minutes ni information you see there akwa SCI kwa wow lovely very beautiful I'm still on it Now there, made the vegetables in the egg. The nina nti onze aya kono pa on there was also same na ma bu shene ne dey echi we different styles stew na ma ni ji ayi dey aba very rich bibia we vegetarian garden eggs vegetable and egg stew na me dey bad dey me ye kama and it's such it is a dia kama me the garden eggs no egg Jafidi may stay, so may stay. Once on the Emirates in Pesebete, the semi de boom, nothing needed, may stay, nothing the Nina, a frack, come. Garden eggs, vegetable eggs stew, vegetarian then, maybe ready for consumption. Inchi piano. Wow. Mede bibia ebehyehyɛ so na betim ebomu yi ni amaye utimi de serve rice utimi de serve plantain ampesi utimi de serve yam de beto de bia no obetimi edi ati titira bia mami nsesa eduan ni kakra na abusia no so ni nchi medamwasi na me adom maybe let me drink a crazy and change. The food is now ready for consumption. The garden eggs, vegetable and egg stew with rice and my drink. Crazy a bit of family. Nyamisha me be. Wait my try do feel. Bye bye.